Sixth-ranked Zheng of China has undergone arthroscopic surgery on her right elbow after experiencing persistent pain for several months. The 22-year-old Olympic champion, who lost in the first round at Wimbledon to Katerina Siniakova, said on Saturday the surgery was a success. Over the past months, I've been dealing with persistent pain in my right elbow during training and matches. Despite trying various treatments to manage it, the discomfort never fully went away, the right-handed player said in an Instagram post. After consulting with elbow specialists and discussing thoroughly with my team, we decided that arthroscopic surgery was the best option to fully resolve the issue. Yesterday, I underwent the procedure successfully, and I'm grateful to have it behind me. Zheng wrote she'd be recovering over the next few weeks and months. More professional wheelchair tennis events will take place at ATP and W tournaments next year following the approval of a new calendar structure by the International Tennis Federation, ITF, while the specific events have not yet been confirmed. The ITF said a significant number of new ones will take place at ATP and WTA tournaments, creating a calendar including higher standards and elevated prize money. The 4 Grand Slams currently have both wheelchair and non-wheelchair events, in addition to 6 ATP and WTA tournaments. Great Britain's Alfie Hewitt, a 33-time Grand Slam champion across singles and doubles, said the expansion presents a great opportunity for players to take their careers to the next level. World number 2 Hewitt, who was beaten by Tokido Oda in the Wimbledon wheelchair singles final, added, "Now is the time to take the chance to grow our sport even further and make integrated events the norm rather than the exception."